I'm just trying to put it together. What?
Yeah.
It feels like the time just flew past.
It did, didn't it? You're trying to find lots of ways to make space around here, so one of the things we're using is space up in the rafters. We've set up some plywood boards up there, and all of those boxes you see there, those white boxes, are the insulated ducts that we're going to be using for the HVAC system, the heat pump system that we're going to be installing. Okay, I'm not sure if I've ever sort of given these videos you know, an adequate sense of scale of just sort of the size of the lot itself. So this is west facing, I think, where I'm looking now. There's kind of like a trail that winds around that takes us up sort of north through the property, and then facing south, this is the driveway, and you can see the dwelling here that we call the shoe is located well back from the road. I think I estimated on Google Maps it was like maybe like 700 meters or something. So it's nice because, you know, it offers quite a bit of privacy, I guess, from the main road. It's fairly quiet from cars passing by, like, although admittedly it's kind of rare for to see a car pass by. But it's great because it's like, it's a really nice view from here too, across the fields, you know, facing south. So that's pretty great. There's you know, lots of work to be done on the driveway as well at some point, but that'll be at some point in the future.
It's more depressing because I don't see any progress.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Still so much that hasn't been done yet.
Yeah. I think that's the thing to say. There's so much that hasn't been done here that it's depressing to think of how much has got to be done.
That's all good. There's also been a very, very important part of this whole process that we've had to look after while we've been here. Puppies! Hello, Coco. Hello, Paddington. Hello, hello, hello. Say hi to everyone. Paddington is our puppy. And Coco... Oops, sorry, Freud. Coco and Freud are both John and Wendy's dogs. Yeah, and we get Paddington. Yes. And they all... It's great, because while we're here, they all get to kind of spend time together and socialize and get up to no good. Right, Coco? Yes. There's still a lot to do to sort out that garage.
But the grill works.
Yes, that's very important. We have a very well-functioning barbecue right here. We've used it a few times already to make some burgers and cook bacon on it. Yeah, works really well.
And we have no air conditioner.
No.
As yet.
Yes, so that I did mention, I don't think I was that clear. So I have talked about how that it will be the HVAC system, but
yeah.
Yes, what that means is we are not actually working with air conditioning right now.
Yeah. Yeah. And many people will watch this and say, boo-hoo.
Yeah. How we doing, Alan?
Lots of manuals.
Yep. Lots of stuff to install, plumbing, electrical, all that good stuff.
Waste, yeah.
Waste, yep. So we had a pretty serious rainstorm last night. Lots of rain, lots of wind driving the rain, and unfortunately the canopy we were using to keep our HVAC system dry collapsed. Alan and Bernice's daughter's bunk beds got built today. Very cool. Very pretty looking room. Please press the like button if you think we've earned it. Subscribe to the channel for updates as we continue our journey.